A Walmart credit card payment usually fails because of incorrect payment information, insufficient funds, a temporary bank issue, or an account verification problem, rather than a problem with the credit card itself. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and get your payment processed successfully. Start by checking the bank account or debit card you're using to make the payment. Confirm that the routing number, account number, or card information is correct, and that enough money is available to cover the payment. Next, verify that your payment method is still active. An expired debit card, a closed checking account, or updated banking information can prevent the transaction from going through, even if everything worked before. If you're paying through the Walmart credit card account portal or mobile app, sign out, close the app or browser, then sign back in and try again. Temporary session errors can interfere with payment processing. If the payment still fails, try using a different browser or another device. Browser extensions, outdated cached data, or compatibility issues sometimes prevent payment pages from completing successfully. Another useful step is clearing your browser's cache and cookies if you're paying online. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version available through your device's app store. You should also check whether your bank is blocking the transaction. Some banks flag online credit card payments for verification, especially if you're using a new device or making a larger than usual payment. Contact your bank if you suspect the payment is being declined before it reaches the credit card issuer. If you're scheduling a payment for a future date, review the scheduled payment details carefully. An incorrect payment date or account selection can cause the request to fail. Another option is waiting a short time before trying again. Temporary maintenance or payment system interruptions occasionally prevent transactions from processing, even when your account information is correct. If multiple payment attempts fail, consider using another accepted payment method if one is available through your account. This can help determine whether the issue is tied to your original payment source. If nothing works, contact the customer service number listed on the back of your Walmart credit card. Explain that your payment isn't processing, describe the payment method you're using, and provide any error message you receive. That information helps the representative identify whether the issue is related to your account, the payment network, or a temporary system problem. The quickest fixes are verifying your payment details, checking with your bank, updating the app or browser, trying another device, and contacting customer support if the issue continues. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.